Hi! In front of me is OPPO A18 and today I would like to show you how you can change display refresh rate. You need to start by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access Display and Brightness. Following that, scroll down again and click on Screen Refresh Rate. Now tap on the best one for you in order to apply it. Auto-select High or Standard. I will go with High, so when I tap and go back, I can see that screen refresh rate of my OPPO has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!